Hey everyone, look what I got. Something that I saw on IG and TikTok. Let's see if it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So I have a little product here that I saw on IG, and I've seen it on TikTok. I've seen it on a bunch of places. And what this is a foundation. So this one I had gotten off of Amazon. This is water feeling, and it is a foundation, but it's one of those funny foundations, and you'll see when I open it up. So it's got the little stamp right over here, which is in this cute little pouch right here. Let's take her out. And I've been wanting to try this foundation. And you've seen the commercials where there's a girl, she has a tattoo, and she's just pounding on, and the tattoo disappears. Well, let's see what this foundation really does. So, very cute little box that it comes in. And when you open it up, and I believe I got this like in a medium. So when you open her up, oh, it's very perfumey. See, it has that little design on it. And so you're supposed to put the foundation down, and you're supposed to go like this, and it's supposed to take care of everything. As you can see, you guys, I am just breaking out all over the place. That's what stress does to me. So, let's see. So, a lot of the things are in either Japanese or Korean. So, I can't even tell you the shade that I got because there's really no name on it. There is some lettering in English. So, but a lot of it is, and it does have the ingredients, so let me not lie right there. So if you guys could read that. You know I can't see little things like that. All right. So let's get into this, and it smells like perfume. It's very perfumey, you guys. So it's not that heavy. So all right. So I'm gonna put 2 primers on. I'm gonna put this one, which is a more of a hydrating primer on one side. And I'm going to put my good old favorite Professional on the other side. I'm going to let that set for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, so now, supposedly when you press on this, the design will come out on here. So let's see. And there we go. So I'm going to press, and we're going to see if it's going to take all my hyperpigmentation away. So I'm pressing down on it. So there's product on it. And it's like the girl went ahead and she pressed and pressed, and all her tattoo and everything went away. And I'm like, okay, let's see what this does. On a first go, it's not really... I don't know. I don't know if it's really doing very much of anything. It smells nice. Okay. So this is like a first layer of it. I mean, you see, still seeing things peek through. Alright. So I'm going to sit here with another layer. And I think all it's doing is making me look like a ghost. A lot of the Japanese, Korean makeup is extremely light. So I'm going to fix that up afterwards with bronzer and I don't need it so much on the top part as versus over here. Alright. So I'm still seeing some, but let me put the other layer on this side, and I will be right back. Okay, I adjusted my light a little bit more so you guys could see a little better. Alright, so some more, and so I'm going to finish up the second layer here. I'm just looking whiter and whiter, you guys. I mean, look at the... So, I don't know. I just think that I'm looking lighter, but not necessarily all of this getting done. And I look very oily. And as you always know, if you followed my channel, I'm not oily. Alright. Ooh. I don't know. What do you guys think? Besides the fact that I'm looking very white. I don't know. I think it has hit, but I think you can still see it. Let me put on some powder. Let me put on some bronzer and stuff. Try to make this look a little less, I don't know. It's still very sticky, so I would suggest that you would need to use a powder to set this a little bit more. Because I would be nervous that this will slide all over the place. So I'm going to put powder on half my face so you can see. Alright, so you see how shiny it is without setting it? And this is so much more better. But I'm still seeing the hyperpigmentation right over here. And it might be more me because I'm more conscientious of it. But I guess you guys will let me know. Besides the fact that it's so much lighter. But see how I can still see that? Now, the girl went ahead and was making her tattoo disappear, but I don't think so. So, what I'm gonna do, that was like this side, I'm just gonna do a third on here. And again, all it's really doing is making me get lighter and lighter. And you can see it coming on. And you can see how it's making me so much lighter. I mean, that's just... And I mean, I don't know if you can really see the color, but the color doesn't look as light as what it should be, but I don't know. Alright, I'm going to set this side because now this side has had 3. But it's too shiny for me. I don't like a true matte, but because I have drier skin, but that was just... Oh my gosh. Look at the color, you guys. Look at the difference. I look so white. Alright, let me try to put bronzer on. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. So, I've had this on for a few hours. I've just been, you know, housework, running around the house and stuff like that. It is not bad. It hasn't really separated. It has not bunched up. It hasn't caused any other creasings. I feel like my skin is a little bit more shinier than normal, but it hasn't creased up around my nose or anything. I had to put a little bit more powder one time around here and over here. Not bad. I don't mind it. Would I use it every single day? No, just with the amount of product that I had to put on to brighten up the look a little bit. In person, like I said, it doesn't look as bad as on camera. I'll put up 2 pictures up over here and up here. These are both just in natural lighting, so this way you could see what it looks like a little bit better than what my setup is here. Not bad, you guys. Would I recommend it? It's only $8.99. I got it on Amazon. If you guys want to know the seller that I had gotten it from, please comment down below, let me know, and I will go ahead and give you the information. The ones that I've seen on IG and on TikTok, the links that you go to, they were about $20-something, so not bad for trying it for $8.99. Again, would I use this again? Yes, I think I would. I'll see if I could tweak it a little bit. But it's not bad. As the winter time is coming and I lose some of the color off my skin, this probably will work a little bit better on my skin, but it wasn't that bad. As you can see, it's not that bad. It's just certain spots that I need to fill in with something else. Maybe use a darker powder on my skin just to brighten up, to not have it so bright over here. So, but otherwise than that, not bad. It is done pretty well on my hyperpigmentation. This one is coming out just a little bit as it's wearing out. This one not so much, but it's right over here. This is the stubborn one. It's peeking through a little bit after a few hours, but not bad, you guys. Remember, you guys, give me a thumbs up, share me out, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button so you can continue having fun here. Also, that notification bell is very important because you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, especially since I have a giveaway going on. So make sure you guys are going to that video. It's hashtag FallFest22 giveaway. So I will link that up in the top at the end. So make sure you guys go check out that video. So overall, I'm quite happy. I think it made my skin look so smooth. Remember, I'm 52 years old, you guys, so not bad. So, alright, I give it a 2 thumbs up. I lose a little bit of a thumb just because of the coloring, but Korean makeup and Japanese makeup tend to be very light to begin with, so, but not bad. I'm quite impressed by it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know down in the comments if you want to know the link or the information for the seller for Amazon that I got this from. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you've tried a product like this. I was always fascinated with that the shot that they always do. I put everything all together, you guys. I didn't want to lose anything here, but that little design on there, so I was really impressed by that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a wonderful, fabulous day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Like I said, not bad at all. I would give it a shot. Bye, you guys.